Lincoln, why is your face so dirty?
I don't know. The mud.
You look like a bush fella. You a bush fella?
Guys, I'm gonna grab some.
Taking a big risk on you, Kit. No fuss. No fuss, kitties. Kitty love. Pretty kitty. Don't look at chickens. Mummy loves to see you out and about, kitty cat. Where are you? Where are you, Sniffy? Where are you, Sniffy, beautiful girl? You're so beautiful. Oh, bashful. Oh my god. That was the most tater way to get up that I've ever seen. You alright, Mika? Why do we have a model as a child?
Could I use baling twine to tie these on?
Yeah, of course. How else are you gonna get your short stuff in?
I don't know.
This is how our tap, our first running water on this property is gonna be. Just like that. It's gonna run out of this tap. Oh my god. So exciting. I think we don't want to hurt the tree, so we'll just cable tie it or don't know. Baling twine. Oh my god, a tap. Would you believe it that when we first got this dog, she was an absolute killer of everything? And she would piss off every time she was allowed to be out of where she was supposed to be in. Aren't you a changed woman, Mika? Very old girl now. We got her from the pound about 8 years ago. Nuggy! Nuggy, nuggy, nuggy. Nuggy, 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 nuggy. This is a good gear. I see you. What are you doing, Nuggy? Hey?
How good's that? Running water.
So good. We don't even need all this stuff.
Where's the other battery?
What other battery?
The 4 amp hour.
Throw it at my face and I'll catch it with my head.
Oh, that's hot.
Is it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, that's hot.
Oh, yay!
Now we can have
Alright, cool.
Mum,
Yeah, I'm here.
when we have our house fully built, let's still cook pancakes from a fire.
Yeah.
It takes really quick.
Hmm.
Yeah, really. This is your Mother's Day dinner, Mama.
Oh, it's my favourite. Love a good pancake dinner.